Hi, today I'd like to go over the difference between the word than and then. So I'm going to change the screen in just a moment and explain to you the difference of how you use each of those words. So we use the word than, T-H-A-N, to compare things. For example, I like reading better than writing. I like skiing better than snowboarding. I like apples better than oranges. You use the word then, T-H-E-N, to say in that case or next. For example, you don't like writing. Then you read and I'll write. Let's go skiing first. Then we'll go snowboarding. So one way to help keep